So fucking warm today, man. Especially carrying this fucking big bag. Got the dog with Donnie and Emma. Should be a good camp for the night. There you go. I know, Robin, give me a second to get your drink. This has got the camp. Robin. Got hot dogs. There's a wee shite bar. Get looks like pound shop burgers, but they're not. Look at they look fucking horrid, didn't they? Good luck to use. And then I've got a rump steak. One for me, one for the dog. That's what are you having? You having the red ribeye?
Don't know, do you want that one? Do you want that one? Well, I'll be having that one.
Right, well. Wait, what, you're having the ribeye?
No, I'm having that.
That's a ribeye?
Yeah, I'm having the ribeye.
What?
I'm having the rump steak.
Right, so you're having the ribeye. Emma's having the ribeye and Donnie's having the other rump. This squat is getting really hard to hold. This is camp, but that's Emma in the hammock for the rest of the night. Donnie needs that chair. Super. Right, Robin, we're going to go get some firewood. And Robin, go get some firewood. Right, let Donnie's get his burgers on. They look like they look fucking amazing.
Wait for the steaks, remember fucking posting that.
I didn't think it, I was going to say this.
How's it?
It's fine. I've used 2 back for the size ago.
Hot diggity dog. Hot bit of it. Well, how shiny my head is in this shot.
The sweat's there, gleaming. What? You want some of my hot dog? I'm getting any really hot dog.
You're getting a steak later on, Robin. Get a dog steak going in there. Can I take your steak out?
Sure, but then.
Mate, this is well done. Good girl, baby. Oh, can you punch myself in the face? Can you see my sweat in the video?
You're not in it.
Yep, you go, baby.
She's my friend.
Amos, what is that again? Ribeye?
Yeah.
There's ribeye. I've chained Donnie up so I kind of get to it. Looks class.
Can I show my hot dog? I don't even know if I can. Hot dog.
Bottled time. Sponsor me.
I do want to go see Spider-Man, but I think there's something else that I want to see.
Here's my freezer.